Good morning, students. Now, today's topic is behavior of dielectrics in electric field. Right? So, before we are going to this behavior, we have to know something about polar and non-polar molecules. Then we will find how the behavior of these molecules changes in the electric field. Right? Now, what is polar molecule? A molecule in which the center of positive charge does not coincide with the center of negative charge is called polar molecule. Right? For example, water H2. This water molecule is polar molecule. Reason is that the center of gravity of its positive charge do not coincide with the center of gravity of negative charge. That's why this molecule is polar molecule. Means the center of gravity is slightly shifted away from the center of gravity of positive charge. So polar molecules does not have symmetrical shape. Example, methane, hydrochloric acid, water, ammonia, NH3, CO2, alcohol, etc. These molecules are polar molecules. Now, when we kept this molecule in an electric field, its behavior do not change. It remains polar. But if we take a material or a substance which containing the polar molecules, so how its behavior changes, let us find out. These are the polar molecules within a substance, within an object. But the dipole moment of these molecules, actually these polar molecules are electric dipoles, so their orientation is random. So net electric field or net electric dipole moment will become 0 due to random orientation. Right? Here electric field intensity is 0. Now we place this substance in electric field. What happens? The molecules slightly get shifted in presence of electric field. See, this is the effect. When there is no electric field, the orientation is like this. In presence of electric field, this orientation changes and net electric dipole moment produces. Right? So this is the behavior of polar molecules and substance having polar molecule in electric field. Now non-polar molecules. Non-polar molecules means there is no pole. It means center of gravity of positive charge coinciding with the center of gravity of negative charge. So there is no pole. These molecules are called non-polar molecules. Example H2, example CH4, example O2, C6, H6, etc. So non-polar molecule has symmetrical shape. Right? Now what happens in an electric field with these non-polar molecules? Now see, this is the non-polar molecule. Right? This is the non-polar molecule. And electric field is 0. External electric field is 0. So in absence of external field, this is non-polar. But when we shift this molecule in electric field, so the shape of the molecule changes. It becomes oval shape. Reason is that the center of gravity of positive charge and center of gravity of negative charge changes. The positive center shifted along the direction of electric field due to electric force, and the center of gravity of negative charge shifted in the direction of external electric field. So it becomes polar, and if it is polar, then it should have electric dipole moment, right? And the direction of electric dipole moment is along the direction of external electric field, right? Now dielectrics. Dielectrics are insulators, but those insulators which induces charge in electric field are called dielectrics. The insulator do not induce the charge, but dielectrics induces the charge in presence of electric field, right? For example, air, H2, glass, mica, paraffin wax, transformer oil, etc. Right? So these are the dielectrics. In electricity, there are three types of substances: conductors, insulators, and dielectrics. Right? Now, polarization of dielectric. When we placed dielectric slab, so its molecule remains spherical, means these molecules are non-polar molecules. But in presence of external electric field, its shape becomes oval shape, and it get induced charges. The negative charge induced at the surface which is near to the positive plate, and positive charge induces near to the negatively charged plate. You can see in this diagram, these are the molecules in absence of इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. जैसे ही इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आया, इनकी जो शेप थी वो चेंज हो गई, तो पॉजिटिव प्लेट की तरफ जो है वो नेगेटिव चार्ज इंड्यूस हो गया. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं नेगेटिव चार्ज इंड्यूस हो गया, और इधर पॉजिटिव चार्ज इंड्यूस हो गया. अब बीच में क्या होगा? बीच में जो चार्जेज हैं उनका इफेक्ट कैंसिल आउट हो गया. पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव ने एक दूसरे का इफेक्ट कैंसिल आउट कर दिया. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली द कैंसिल ऑफ इफेक्ट. इसका मतलब नहीं कि चार्ज खत्म हो गया, चार्ज इज स्टिल देयर, बट द इफेक्ट ऑफ दीज चार्जेस वेनिसेस, राइट? Due to these induced charges, an electric field produced in opposite direction. Now this is positively charged surface, this is negatively charged surface. The electric field from positive to negative plate. This electric field is known as electric field due to polarization. ये electric field polarization के कारण आया. This is the external electric field. Now what will be the net electric field inside this? E naught minus EP. These electric fields are not equal to each other. एक्सटर्नल वाला बड़ा होगा, ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू पोलराइजेशन छोटा होगा. तो अंदर जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है उसे हम कहते हैं रिड्यूस्ड वैल्यू ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, एंड रिड्यूस्ड वैल्यू ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज E naught by EP. Now this is dielectric slab. So what will be the dielectric constant? Dielectric constant is equal to ratio of external electric field intensity divided by reduced value of electric field, and reduced value of electric field is E naught minus EP, right? So this is the behavior of dielectrics in an electric field. So that is the end of the topic, today's topic. Tomorrow in next chapter we will discuss the parallel plate capacitor, right? So keep on doing assignments, नोट्स बनाइए आप लोग. जैसे ही लेक्चर आप वीडियो लेक्चर आप देखते हैं उसके बाद आपको असाइनमेंट बनाना चाहिए, राइट? तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट.